How to remove certain characters in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. You'll find FX at the top. Click on FX. After you click on FX, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, type in subs, which is SUBS, then press on enter. Then press on enter again and you'll find this kind of screen. Click on the first cell you want to remove anything of. Then at the bottom in old text, simply type in what you want to remove. I want to remove CC, so I'll type CC and press on enter. Then at the bottom, write quotation mark 2 times and press on enter again or press on OK and you're good to go. You will find without that letter. You can simply drag it at the bottom and you'll find all your numbers of other cells as well. And you can simply delete the first one and then paste the second one. And this is how to remove certain characters in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.